some shift something inside you, and some nudge you toward your next step. Every dream begins quietly, and storytelling gives it a voice. In a time flooded with content, genuine storytelling stands apart and reflects lived experiences in ways numbers never can. Good morning, everyone. I'm Alok Joshi, and welcome you to OCLF 2025, organized by Raisoni Foundation. It's wonderful to have you here for this session as we begin our day with a conversation and how storytellers, in turn, shape the world around them. And we are fortunate to have a very eminent speaker for this session. So let's begin with meeting the voice guiding this session. Mr. Anirban Bhattacharya is known for shaping some of India's most impactful true crime shows. Saudhan India कितने लोगों ने देखा है? Maybe this generation may not be aware of, लेकिन इसके पहले वाली तो knows. ये भी है. Saudhan India, Crime Patrol. Very nice. So excited. Crime Patrol. Huh? So we have the story writer of Crime Patrol and the person behind those stories, right? And he has led content team, Deadly Dozen, and India's Money Heist, received strong acclaim. While his memoir, The Hills Are Burning, captures his early years in Kalimpong, he has written children's fiction and poetry appreciated by icons like Amitabh Bachchan and Amir Khan. His latest book, Swipe Right to Kill, explores the Jaipur Tinder murder case. Beyond writing, he is also a stand-up comedian, motivational speaker, and an actor, with appearances in Sui Dhaga, Mission Mangal, Vijay 69, and more. The theme carries through depth to keep us absorbed in much longer way, but we have a time limit of 40 minutes from right now, so we'll try to accommodate each and everything with a little bit of buffer also whenever we have question and answer. So with that, over to you, Mr. Anirban Bhattacharya.
Good morning, everybody. You can hear me? It's okay. अभी देखो एंट्री होनी चाहिए लाइफ में तो धमाल के साथ होना चाहिए कि नहीं, है ना? तो धमाल होना चाहिए एंट्री पे. हीरो का एंट्री स्लो मोशन में होना चाहिए. करेक्ट? चल बे बजा. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un tu ta ta tu ta tu tu.
Ok.
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué? ¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr. Un grr.
Are you all ready for a good session today?
Un grr.
Let's go.
Dame un grr.
कोई दामियम गर नहीं किया? तुम लोग ने सुना है कि नहीं ये वाला? तो कैसे होता है दिखाओ. Who's going to show me? दामियम गर, फिर दामियम गर, देन फिर दुक तक तक. तुम लोग देखते हो ये सब? Such a waste of time. पढ़ाई कब करते हो? हैं? Boys, do you also see all this? दामियम गर, no? दुक तक, no? Useless. लाइफ में मजा लेना चाहिए. पढ़ाई करके कौन बड़ा हुआ है भाई? पढ़ाई के साथ साथ जिंदगी में थोड़ा सा तर्का होनी चाहिए, है ना? Who agrees? Very good. You're all making me very happy today now, है ना? Who loves studying? Please go outside. What is this? What nonsense person you are? वो भी कितने एनर्जी के साथ. और पीछे कौन हाथ उठाया था? और एक किसने उठाया था? पढ़ाई से दूर. मैं जब बचपन में, I also was बचपन once upon a time. I used to hate studying. I used to hate studying. I used to only daydream. Any of you daydream in class? Very good. I like you. Very good. Daydream कौन करता है क्लास में से? What is your name? Umar. Umar, why are you daydreaming? Huh? It's always good to daydream. Today we are going to talk about storytelling. Who likes stories? We all like. You don't like stories? How man? Okay, who likes reading? So lazy you are. Huh? All only 2-second reels. Why damyung gar, dhuk tak. But it's true, lot of the kids these days don't read anymore. No? They prefer to be on reels and Instagram and wasting their time. But those are stories as well, right? So today we're going to talk about storytelling, about courage. And we are going to talk about imagination and courage and how to tell stories. Okay. We're going to start off. This is going to be a fun session, okay? But for that, I need you all to participate. If you don't participate, then I'll go home. हाँ क्या? Should I go? जोर से बोलना चाहिए ना बेटा, तुम लोग ना भाव देना चाहिए. नहीं मत जाओ. ऐसा होना चाहिए तुम ना. Okay, who is always scared of talking in public? किसको एकदम वो होता है कि नर्वसिया जाते हो? कौन? You, come here. You and you, Umar, and what's your name? Arham, very good. Can I have a hand mic? Is there a hand mic available? Thank you. Okay, who's shy from here? Who's scared of speaking in public? You two, come here. I saw you pick up your hands. Come on. Come. The boys are, they have taken a bath. They are smelling nice. It's okay. They are not going to bite you. Come fast. We don't have time. 40 minutes के अंदर खत्म करना है session. Okay. Who else from here? Who's scared of speaking in public? Who's there? किसको डर लगता है पब्लिक में बात करने के लिए? Shy होता है. कौन? No one. You're all brave. My God, look at these children. They are so brave. Come. And you. Yes, you. Come. Fast. भाग के आ बेटा. Time नहीं है. ये क्या है ये? What is this? आना है तो slow motion में आओ. Okay, where's the mic? Okay, so now we're going to start. Come face that side. Today we are going to get rid of your shyness. Okay? Okay. Today we are going to talk about one dream that you have. Okay? It can be सबसे silly. एकदम silly सा dream होना चाहिए. कुछ भी जो एक सपना है तुम्हारा. ठीक है? You will tell your name. Then you will tell your dream. And then you will give a pose connected to the dream. So I will give you example. Okay? My name is Anirban. I always dream of becoming Superman. Okay? Start.
So, hello everybody. My name is Ashika and I have a dream to be the tallest person in my class.
Tallest person in your
Yeah,
class.
I'm not really the tallest. There are 2 to 3 people.
Jump
after
up
me.
here. Hi, Shika. You're so tall.
I'm just 5'6" or something.
5'6". Stand here. Do you see my problem? Don't complain. You see, in life, no, when you think you're having it really bad, मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? remember me. 5'4". Okay? Be proud. Okay, next. Come on. Next, who's that? Arey, this is supposed to be. Come here. अच्छा पीछे 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 हाँ ऐसे 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 क्या है quick what's your name what is your dream and give pose come on
My name is Sidra Khan, and
you have to tell them हाँ go what is your dream सपना क्या है आपका क्या करना है
I want to become a doctor.
you want to become a doctor feel my pulse fast fast okay next come on
Hello
next
everyone, my name is Aisha. I want
you
to
have to say it Aisha बेटा किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है my name is Aisha अच्छा नहीं होगा my name is you're proud of your name it's a beautiful name what does it mean Aisha who knows what's the meaning of Aisha yes ma'am fantastic so be proud my name is Aisha जोर से बोलो
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha. I want to become a chef.
you want to become a chef अब तो कुछ खाने के खाओ खिलाओ हैं you have to do chef come on cook something for me quick cook something yes lovely Mwah. Ah. Okay next come on yes come
Hello everybody, my name is Shafin Sodagar. I want to be a collector.
you want to be what
Collector.
collector of what ticket collector stamp collector हैं कौन सा collector
Educational.
education you want to teach children then
Collector.
कलेक्टर क्या होता है भाई हाँ, अच्छा गवर्नमेंट जॉब होता है वेरी गुड ये देखो देश पे यही तरक्की लाएगा एक दिन यही है शक्ल याद रखना यही है वो इंसान जो इंडिया को दूर दूर ले जाएगा नेक्स्ट कम हाँ बेटा जोर से बोलो
Hello everybody, my name is Umar. My dream is to become a doctor.
यू आर आल्सो डॉक्टर बच्चा हाँ यू आल्सो बिकम टू गेट डॉक्टर वेरी गुड व्हिच क्लास आर यू इन 8th I enjoy life man what doctor no problem last who's there come on हाँ
Hello everyone, my name is Arham Ali and my dream is to buy BMW.
your dream is to buy BMW which series
M5,
and color
black.
अच्छा now close your eyes मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला हूँ भरोसा रख बेटा
Yes.
now can you see BMW
No. I can see color.
you can see color अच्छा black color अच्छा काला भाई मेरे को भी ब्लैक नजर आ रहा है समझ रहा है सिर्फ काला ही काला आ रहा है BMW नहीं है कहीं पे हैं ऑटो चलेगा Inshallah, you shall have your BMW someday. Definitely. Thank you for sharing all your dreams. Big round of applause to them. Come on. Superb. Yes, you may. Okay, superb. Very good. तुम लोग पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किए इधर से चलो 2 वॉलंटियर चाहिए मुझे क्विक सीखो कौन से क्लास में हो बेटा
6th.
कौन से क्लास में हो बेटा 10th यही है हाल बस बड़ा हाँ बैठो हाँ। नाम क्या है
Humam.
जोर से बोलो
Humam.
हुमाम कौन से क्लास में हो
6th.
6th में सपना क्या है बेटा
कुछ भी नहीं जो पिलाओ कर ले
कोई सपना ही नहीं देखता तू
सपने देखने में मजा थोड़ी करने में है.
सपना
देखने में मजा नहीं है करने में है.
बेटा धिनता क्या बोला बेटा दिस इज अ मैन ऑफ एक्शन नो ड्रीमिंग एंड ऑल He will do. Correct? Best of luck. God bless you. May you fulfill all your dreams.
Okay, sir.
But करना क्या है?
पैसे कमा लेंगे बहुत सारे.
ये देखो बेटा, पैसे कमा लेंगे बहुत सारे. वेरी गुड. लेकिन गलत काम से नहीं. हाँ,
गलत काम तो सर कर ही नहीं रहा.
गलत काम से पैसे कमाने वाले बहुत हैं, लेकिन हम इधर होंगे. ठीक है? बेस्ट ऑफ लक. वेरी गुड. सुपर्ब. Superb, superb. So you see, we have conquered your fear of feeling shy. है ना? So next time when somebody says कि oh, please go and speak, then you can't say no. Just go, bindas, do it, say it. Don't be afraid of being judged. कि लोग क्या सोचेगा, है ना? आधा टाइम हम वहीं पे अटक जाते हैं कि लोग क्या सोचेगा, और अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो क्या होगा. दुनिया मुझे बोलेगा अरे यार देखो इसको, फेल हो गया. तैरना किसको आता है? Who likes swimming? No swimming? So old you are, you don't know how to swim. What is this? All the adults don't know how to swim. Are you all teachers by any chance? No. Teacher? No swimming? Teacher? But no swimming. Okay. Who all know swimming? तैरना किसको आता है? Quick. ओके, एक तो है कि भैया स्विमिंग सीख लो, है ना? क्लास 10 में अभी भी वक्त है. ऐसा नहीं कि क्लास 10 हो गया तो स्विमिंग नहीं होगा, है ना? तो स्विमिंग पूल में कौन कौन जाता है? स्विमिंग पूल में, है ना? अच्छा तुम लोग को स्विमिंग नहीं आता लेकिन स्विमिंग पूल में जाना. अच्छा, वाटर पार्क. अरे वेरी गुड. सो आधा टाइम क्या होता है, हम लाइफ में ना, सोचो लाइफ जो है, जिंदगी जो है, वो हमारा स्विमिंग पूल है. ठीक है? और हम लोग जाते हैं स्विमिंग पूल के पास. ठीक है? अब हम ऐसे करते हैं. हम देखते हैं पानी गर्म है, ठंडा है कि नहीं? फर्स्ट हम टेस्ट करते हैं ऐसे. ठंडा है. आधा टाइम we are outside and we are wasting. We have to just dive. आधा टाइम हम सोच रहे हैं पानी गर्म है, पानी ठंडा है, किसी ने सुसु तो नहीं किया अंदर, हैं? वो लड़का क्या कर रहा है उधर, है ना? वही हम सोचते हैं. सही बोला कि नहीं? हाँ, वाटर पार्क में जब जाते हो तब देखते हो कि नहीं कौन सा बच्चा ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है ना? तो पता चल जाता है क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है? तो आई एम सेइंग डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. यू हैव टू dive into the water, because if you don't dive into the water, how will you know how deep it is, how cold it is, how hot it is, है ना? Unless and until you dive inside, you will not know. So that is what life is about, right? You have to take that opportunity to dive inside. Okay? And that takes courage. Courage जो है ना, वो it is not about feeling fear. Courage जो है, courage का हिंदी कौन बोल सकता है? मैं बंगाली हूं ना, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा कमजोर है, तो courage का हिंदी क्या होगा? हाँ, तुम्ही बेटा देखो बेटा, तुमने हाथ उठाया कि नहीं? उठाया. और कोई उठाया? नहीं पता. बोलो अभी courage का हिंदी. साहस. वेरी गुड. तो वो जो है साहस की बात है, ये है ना? साहस होता है जब आपको डर लगता है, वो तब नहीं, जब आपको डर लगता है और फिर भी आप कुछ करते हो. डर तो सबको लगता है, सबको लगता है. विराट कोहली से लेके अमिताभ बच्चन तक. आई ऑल्सो गेट स्केर्ड. You think I was sitting in the chair and feeling ha ha ha, ha ha ha. No, I was also nervous. कि पहला सेशन है आज OCLF में, अच्छा होना चाहिए, बच्चों के साथ कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. कनेक्शन हुआ? तरीके कनेक्शन हुआ कि नहीं? जय माता दी, जय माता दी. वेरी गुड. तो वो है बात, है ना? करेज. Courage is about doing something when you are absolutely scared. And storytelling needs courage. The first people who came today, they said they were shy. Correct? But look, they came, they shared their dream with courage. मैंने भी थोड़ा सा दबाव डाला, वो बात नहीं है, but फिर भी they shared their dream. पोज भी तो दिया. डॉक्टर साहब कहाँ गए? डॉक्टर है ना? So they shared their dream and they broke their shyness. It took courage, but they did it. Storytelling is like that, right? Storytelling में ना क्या होता है कि हम सोचते हैं कि मैंने, like for example, I'm a writer. मैं सोचता हूँ, अरे यार मैं ना स्टोरी लिखूंगा, जिस दिन मुझे मेरा फर्स्ट पहला जो सेंटेंस है वो परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए एकदम. Then I will waste my time waiting for that sentence. है ना? I have to write. If I want to be a writer, I have to write every day. If I want to be a doctor, then I have to study every day. And I have to be in practice every day. If I want to be a lawyer, I must study law cases every day. Study the legal, the laws of the country every day. I have to be in play. I can't be sitting outside. अच्छा, अगर तुम सोचो जैसे क्रिकेट मैच, क्रिकेट कौन देखता है? क्रिकेट देखते हैं टीवी पे, है ना? सबसे बढ़िया क्या होता है पता है? विराट कोहली मिस होता है, ठीक है? आगे मिस हो जाता है. हम क्या बोलते हैं घर पे बैठ के अपने सिटिंग रूम में? अरे गधा, इसको स्क्वायर कट करना चाहिए था. बोलते हैं कि नहीं? है ना? बोलते हैं कि नहीं? तुम विराट कोहली हो? क्या तुम मैच के मैदान में खेल रहे हो? क्या तुम्हारे सामने आ रहा है 120 किलोमीटर का गेंद? नहीं ना? He is playing the match. So to be successful, you have to go and play the match. Right? So today we are going to start telling about stories. We are going to talk about name, place, animal, thing किसने खेला है? तुम लोग तो कुछ करते ही नहीं हो लाइफ में. क्या करते हो? बताओ बेटा, क्या करते हो लाइफ में? कुछ करते हो? मस्ती के लिए क्या करते हो? बाइक? नो. पढ़ाई? फोर्टनाइट? ऑनलाइन स्ट्रीमिंग? नो. व्हाट डू यू डू? क्या करते हो आप? हाँ, मस्ती नहीं करते बेटा. लाइफ निकल जा रही है बेटा, ऐसा मत करो. हैं? थोड़ा सा मस्ती किया करो लाइफ में, इतना सीरियस मत बनो. What storytelling does is it takes us into a world जो हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है. अगर आपको मैं बोलूं कि ऐसा एक स्टोरी है जहां पे ना जानवर बातें करता है. हाँ, पंचतंत्र है ना? इट नीड्स इमेजिनेशन. या मैं बोलूं कि ऐसा एक दुनिया है जहां पे विजर्ड्स है, हैरी पॉटर. ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ में हम कभी सोच ही नहीं पाएंगे ना हकीकत में कि ऐसा जिंदगी, ऐसा एक स्टोरी हो सकता है या ऐसा एक दुनिया हो सकती है. वी विल नेवर नो. इट इज ओनली यूजिंग आवर इमेजिनेशन that we go into this world. Correct? So storytelling not only needs courage but also needs imagination. And each story, आपको कोई अभी स्टोरी लिखता है क्या? कोई लिखता है अभी? You write stories? Very good. You also write, you also write. एक दो लिखे हैं? Very good. Yes. Give the mic. You can speak loudly. Come on.
My sister, she is like 12 years old and she has published her own book.
Superb. Round of applause. Superb. Very good. Very nice. You write books? You write stories? Tell me about your stories. What stories do you write?
I wrote a story about a woodcutter who's good and another good woodcutter who's evil.
Oh, nice. So एकदम hero versus villain बना दिया.
यानी वैसा नहीं है.
अच्छा वैसा नहीं है. What is the moral of the story?
That we should not be greedy.
We should not be greedy. Very good. Who else writes stories? Who else? You write stories? Who writes stories? You write stories? Huh? So tell me about your story. Huh, wait. See, you're so tall. You're so tall, I'm only looking at you. There's a little boy behind you. Wait. Wait. Huh?
I made a story of a bear and his friend.
Correct. See, that is imagination, right? How otherwise we as humans are writing about bear and friends? है ना? So that is imagination. Yes, now you tell me. What story?
Actually, fiction and mystery. So I didn't complete it exactly, but its name is The Mystery of Weather Vane.
Okay.
It is inspired by Wednesday Addams, the series. So,
Okay.
like, it's not finished, but yeah, I'm writing.
Okay. Superb. Congratulations for writing stories. Because which means that you are being courageous. You are using your imagination. Right? And each story, अच्छा ये notice किया आपने कि जो 4-5 जो अभी बातें किए, all the stories are different. Right? Because each story is about you. What you think. जो आपके जिंदगी में होता है या आपका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस होता है और सबका इमेजिनेशन जो है वो अलग है. किसी ने वुड कटर लिखा, किसी ने मिस्ट्री लिखा, किसी की सिस्टर. व्हाट इज योर सिस्टर्स बुक अबाउट? यू हैवंट रेड योर सिस्टर्स बुक?
I read it before. It was like published in 2022.
Okay, but you've not forgotten.
Yeah, it's kind of.
I'll tell your sister. You've forgotten her book. She's not there. Okay. She's in Delhi. मैंने कहा एकदम बैठो. So each story is different. Correct? The name, place, animal thing किसने खेला है? Name, place, animal thing ना? Very good. Okay. So now we will play one game. Okay? I need 5 people to stand up. Just 5 people. Okay? Okay. Very good. Stand. Okay. We'll go from here. Okay? We'll do name, place, animal, thing. And the 5th person will create a story using the words. Okay? Ready? Okay, start. Name. कुछ भी name. Sidra. S-I-D-R-A? Sidra. Okay, name, place. Ayla, imported. Sit down. Switzerland. Name, place, animal. Tiger. Nice. Name, place, animal, thing. Sofa. Oh, I love it. Okay, who's 5th? Make a story. Give the mic. Where's the mic, beta? Please be attentive. Let one person be here with the mic and one person. Give it to them. Come on. Okay. What's your name?
Ashwan Sheikh.
Okay. Let's go.
Sidra had gone to the Switzerland and he was sitting in his home in sofa and a tiger came.
Love it. Superb. Round of applause. Superb. Okay. Next. Name. Rehan. Place. Quick.
Europe.
Europe. ये तो एकदम पूरा कॉक्स एंड किंग्स का टूर कर रहे हो. यूरोप. नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल.
Lion.
Lion.
Chair.
Chair. Who's fifth? Banao story.
Rehan's dreams was to go to Europe. One time he reached Europe. Third word क्या है?
Lion.
And his dream was also to sit on a lion.
हाँ. Chair.
One day his mother draw one lion and stick it on a chair and let him sit on the chair.
Very good. Round of applause. Okay, next. Who's there? Name.
John.
John. Okay. Place.
Dubai.
Dubai. Name, place. Animal.
Dog.
Dog. Okay. And thing.
Table.
सब फर्नीचर पे ही अटक गए तुम लोग. Okay, who's the fifth? हाँ, make the story.
John went to Dubai. He saw a dog on a table eating pasta.
Superb. What a story. Very good.
Then he died.
आइला. आपने तो सावधान इंडिया का एपिसोड बना दिया. कौन मारा जॉन को? देखिए. Okay, next.
Ria.
R-I-A or R-H-E-A? R-I-A. Ria. R-I-Y-A. Okay. हाँ, next.
America.
आइला. चलो, very good. हाँ,
Table.
टेबल हो गया है.
Board.
Board. An animal. Who's going to say animal?
Zebra.
Aye, very good. Okay. Okay, who's the fifth? What's your name?
Hashir.
Hashir. Which class are you in?
8.
8. Very good. Make the story.
Once upon a time, Ria goes to America because she heard that the zebras which are located in Americas are very nice. So after seeing the zebra, she goes with her friends to play carom. So when they are playing carom, so the board broken because of that hall broken.
It's broken. The end. Very good. Okay. Come on.
Naitik.
Naiti. N-A-I.
Naitik.
Naitik. N-A-I-T-I-K.
Yes.
I know spelling. Naitik. Okay.
Singapore.
Chalo, very good. हाँ.
Beer.
Deer. Okay. Think. कुछ भी.
Stage.
Stage. Very good. Okay. Who's going to make this story now? Who's the fifth person? Yes. What's your name?
One day Naitik visit to Singapore and seeing a deer dancing on the stage.
Super simple सा फटाफट बोल दिया story. Did it take any effort? No ना. No ना. कोई effort नहीं लगा. टपाटप आ गया एकदम imagination. है कि नहीं? Storytelling is like this. You have to just allow your brain to go for a walk. बोले चल घूम के आ. हम घूम के आ गए. In your real life, would you have a deer on stage? No. Correct? Zebra on the table? No. Lion eating pasta? No. Dog eating pasta? No. Correct? Yeah, dog eating pasta actually, yes, might, no? Lot of dogs eat pasta also. है ना टेबल के नीचे से we also keep feeding our pets. But imagination देखो कहाँ कहाँ में ले जाता है, right? So never stop imagining. मैं ना बोर्डिंग स्कूल में पला बड़ा. बोर्डिंग स्कूल में कोई स्टडी किया है कभी? बोर्डिंग स्कूल क्या होता है? माँ बाप भेज देते हैं तुम्हें, ठीक है, बोलते जा बेटा जा सिमरन, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, ठीक है. तो मैं तो सिमरन नहीं था, बट मम्मी पापा भेज दिया बोर्डिंग स्कूल बचपन से, क्लास 2 से, ठीक है. हाँ, क्लास 2 से भेज दिया, जाओ. तो वहां पे ना मैं काफी सहमा हुआ सा बच्चा था. अब तो नहीं हूं, है ना. हाँ, इंट्रोवर्ट, हाँ, सहमा, इंट्रोवर्ट, शाई, वेरी वेरी. एंड स्पोर्ट्स में लास्ट. हु कम्स लास्ट इन स्पोर्ट्स? रनिंग. हु कम्स लास्ट? आई लव इट. हम किसी से कॉम्पीट नहीं करते हैं, खुद के साथ कॉम्पीट करते हैं, खुद के साथ. कितना लास्ट आ सकते पीछे से. रेस खत्म हो जाता है, फिर भी हमें कंप्लीट करना होता है रेस. वी आर स्टिल रनिंग. तो मैं वैसा बच्चा था, लास्ट आता था. खत्म हो गया, रेस खत्म हो गया, सब पैकअप करके घर चले गए. So I used to run like that. So I used to get bullied. Do people, anyone here getting bullied in school? जिसके साथ you guys get bullied in school? Who bullies you? Put up your hand. Who's this bully? You bully them. Why? You meet me outside. इनका टीचर कौन है? Who's this person's teacher? You are the teacher. Please take note. What is your name? बेटा रेहान को थोड़ा सा डोज. ओके, थोड़ा डोज चाहिए इनको. So I used to get bullied very badly in school. Very very badly. आजकल तो उतना होता नहीं है शायद, क्योंकि रैगिंग बंद हो गया है वगैरह वगैरह. बट उस जमाने में आई यूज्ड टू गेट बुलीड अ लॉट. एंड बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू गेट बुलीड, आई वेंट इनटू अ शेल एंड आई ओनली रेड बुक्स. क्योंकि बुक्स में क्या होता था ना, आई कुड एस्केप माई रियलिटी. जो हकीकत में हो रहा था मेरे साथ, मैं उससे भाग सकता था. किसी और किताबों की दुनिया में मैं घुस सकता था, है ना. सो आई यूज्ड टू ओनली रीड. आई रोट माई फर्स्ट बुक व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 6. ओके, आई रोट माई फर्स्ट बुक व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 6, क्योंकि मैं सपना देखता था कि मैं लेखक बनूंगा. आई यूज्ड टू ऑल्सो हैव अ ड्रीम, राइट, दैट आई विल वन डे बिकम एन ऑथर. तब सीनियर्स हंसते थे मेरे ऊपर, बोलते थे अरे गधा, क्या लिख रहा है किताब में? Why are you writing? Why are you wasting time? You want to become writer? Hey. Now I tell them, hey. No, so they used to make fun of me. बुरा लगता था, क्योंकि बच्चा था मैं, तब बहुत बुरा लगता था, रोता था मैं कि मेरे सपना है लेखक बनने का. Who are they to tell me? That is the big problem. It is your dream. They are blind. How will they see your dream? And just because they can't see your dream doesn't make your dream any less. अगर बोलता है मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है ना, कोई बोलता है अरे यार क्या डॉक्टर होगा, अभी देख कितना मार्क्स कम आ रहा है, डॉक्टर तुझसे तो होगा ही नहीं, शादी कर ले बस वही है. There are people like that who will say, they are blind. Don't get influenced by them. They are blind. They cannot see your dream. वो सपना आपका है, and you will fulfill it. The book which I wrote in class 6 got published. It's called The Sinister Summer Holiday. It's about 6 cousins solving a case, and it's available downstairs. Okay, so go and buy the book and see what I've written in class 6. Never stop dreaming. Never stop imagining. Never get scared. Okay? ज्यादा ज्ञान हो गया क्या? हाँ, ये तो स्टैचू हो गया, LONDO एंड लंडन स्टैचू। वो क्या स्क्विड गेम वाला ना, So enough Gyan. So now we are going to play one last game before we wrap it up. Are you all ready to play a game? Yes. Superb. Very good. Okay. Can I have the cushion? Okay. Good night, everybody. Okay. This is cushion. Passing the parcel खेला है कभी? Okay. Passing the parcel. See, name, place, animal thing तो हमने कर लिया है, ठीक है? उसमें हमें क्लू मिला था कैसे स्टोरी बताना है। अभी नो क्लू, ओके? अभी हवा से निकालना है, ठीक है? ठीक है? Each person who gets the cushion gets up and says one line of the story, okay? The next person continues the story, okay? It can be anything, okay? Use your imagination. It does not need to have logic. It does not need to have anything. It needs to be fun, okay? Ready? Are bhaiya. Are you ready? Yes. How's the Josh? Very good. Okay. Ready? So I'm going to start. Ria was walking in the market when, ready? It started raining. Catch! I. Chalo. Bolo. Ria was walking in the market when it started raining. Next, stand up. Naam bolo.
Shayan.
Okay. Next line of the story. Next line of the story.
And she had to find a shade so that she did not get wet.
Okay, she had to find a shade so that she could not get wet. Now, throw the pillow somewhere. I don't care where. Throw. Hey, pakdo. What is your name?
Santanu.
Shantanu. Next line kya hai? She had to find a shade so that she could not get wet. Next. Come on. Anything. Come on. बारिश हो रहा है, रिया मार्केट में जा रही है और वे ढूंढ रही है कि आई नीड अ शेड सो दैट आई डोंट गेट वेट। उसके बाद होता क्या है रिया के साथ? क्या होता है? कुछ भी। चलो कम ऑन। व्हाट इज रिया थिंकिंग नाउ? टेल मी। रिया क्या सोच रही है? कुछ नहीं आ रहा है? ओके, तुम्हें आ रहा है? हाँ, चलो।
She get the shade and
क्या क्या क्या?
shade.
हाँ, she got the shade. Then?
And she go there.
हाँ. Okay, she goes there. चलो ठीक है, पिलो उठाओ, पिलो उठाओ, फेंको, आंख बंद करके कहीं भी फेंको, फेंको, पकड़ा। एक घर नहीं लेके जाने का, वापस देने का। Okay.
Then she saw a cat and she tried to save it.
She tried to save it. Okay, आंख बंद करके, come on, fast, fast. पकड़ो. Very good. Next.
She helped the cat and she took her with
She took the cat with her.
yes.
आंखें बंद करके फेंको. Okay, quick. Come on. Quick. बिल्ली को घर लेके गई, उसके बाद हुआ क्या?
She feed the cat.
धत्तरी। और कुछ एक्साइटिंग बताओ।
The cat started
The cat started doing susu what? हाँ?
The cat started speaking.
Oh, the cat started speaking. ये देखो तेरी तो आंख बंद करके फेंको पिलो. Come on, fast. जोर से फेंको. ये देखो चीटिंग कर रहा है, दोस्त को पास ऑन कर रहा है. चलो कौन quick. Cat started speaking. What did the cat say?
Then she take the cat to
No,
her.
no, no. What did the cat say?
The cat said that I am homeless.
Take me home.
Take me home.
Let me stay with you.
Yes.
Okay, आंखें बंद करके फेंको अभी. चलो quick. अबे ये तुम लोग पासिंग काहे कर रहे हो? आंखें बंद. ये देखो पूरा नेपोटिज्म है ये. हाँ. Fast.
Then he go to buy.
अबे हंस लो पहले उसके बाद स्टोरी बोलो. हाँ. बोलो.
They go to buy a lipstick.
They go to buy a what? A stick. Lipstick. I love it. दे पिलो इधर. Throw the pillow. Ay. हाँ.
Then she applied lipstick on her lips.
Who? The cat or Ria?
Both.
Very good. पिलो दो. इधर दो. Give. ये लो. पकड़ो. ये क्या होता है? कभी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में नहीं आओगे. चलो कैच नहीं पकड़ना आता है. Come on. Ria and the cat put on lipstick. चलो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Quick. Come on. उधर काहे तुम कंसल्टेशन कर रहे हो? बताओ स्टोरी. क्या हुआ? Tamil girl. चलो बोलो क्या हुआ?
Then they both are dancing.
They both started dancing. Very good. आंखें बंद करके pass the pillow. Come on. कौन पकड़ा पिलो? You're very clever, huh? You're pointing thing. चलो. हाँ, they both started dancing. उसके बाद हुआ क्या? Quick. Come on.
बोला.
क्या बोलना क्या? पिलो आपके पास आया है. कहानी आपकी होगी. बताओ. बिल्ली और रिया क्या कर रहे हैं? अभी तो डांस कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? अरे बाबा, इतना प्रेशर में है? You know what happens after that? Give it to that lady. She knows. हाँ, what happens?
Drenched in rain and paled by snowy, frosty weather, their shade does not match and they got angry.
अच्छा, the lipstick का shade does not match.
Yeah,
I
their
tell
skin
you.
got pale, no?
Very ऐसे टेस्ट करके नहीं हुआ. हाँ.
So they trip over while dancing.
Oh, they trip while dancing. Let's end the story. Pass the pillow to somebody. Quick. Last. क्या होता है? Yes.
After dancing, they are tired and they went to the restaurant.
They went to the restaurant. ये भूख लगा है आपको. जरूर भूख लगा है. Okay. Last. Come on, throw the pillow. Last. Here. Quick.
They both are eating noodles.
They're both eating noodles. इधर कुछ चाहिए? Throw it here somewhere. Throw it in the front. Throw it. Him. And last, how does the story end? They started eating noodles and potty आ गया.
samosa.
हाँ?
They ordered samosa.
They had samosa also. और उसके बाद potty आ गया. Okay? So see how all of you created this one story. Correct? All of you created this one story. You did not know each other. You did not know what was going to be said. You did not know what is the next step. Nothing. Correct? So you all have imagination. You all have the courage to stand up and share that imagination with everybody in public. And you know the art of storytelling. Right? So don't stop your imagination, uncle. Hello, Modi ji. Hello. किससे बात कर रहा है? Session हो रहा है बेटा? हाँ? Never stop imagining. Never. However wild it is. Okay? अगर किसी को समझ में नहीं आया, तो गलती किसकी है? उसकी है ना? अगर तुम्हारा सपना वो नहीं समझ पाते हैं, their प्रॉब्लम. तुम डट के रहो, एकदम डटे रहो तुम. Be determined to fulfill what you want to do in life. Okay? Thank you so much for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the session, and go and read my book. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. And thank you very much, Mr. Nirban, for this energy-packed and powerful session. तो अगली बार याद रहेगा ना, पहचान लीजिए इस चेहरे को, right? And you will always remember what you did over here, right? Thank you very much. Stay tuned over here for the next session. Thank you very much, everyone.